Air Jordan 4 in the black canvas colorway. It is finally here. Retail cop, definitely. Pay 300 plus for these? I don't know. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys what I like about this sneaker, what I dislike, what you guys can expect when you get this sneaker, and whether I'm going to be holding on to my second pair of these or trading them away for a different sneaker. What's up, everybody? As always, I hope you guys are having a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. If you are new here, I'm Jordan, a sneaker collector local to Las Vegas area. Everybody, it is Vlogtober. Yes, Vlogtober is finally here. We are putting out new content every single day. The goal is to hit 2,000 subs by October 31st at midnight. I'm assuming if you guys are watching this video right now, you guys enjoy sneaker content. I love sneakers. This whole channel revolves around sneakers, so make sure to drop a sub. Also, before we get into the video, a word from our sponsor. I don't have a sponsor, it's me. I'm sponsoring my own video. Anyways, so if you guys are looking for streetwear or sneakers, make sure to check out Kicked Out LV if you are local to the Las Vegas area, or if you are out of state, you can check out our Poshmark at Kicked Out LV. Wait, is it Kicked Out LV? The link is in the description, so make sure to check that out. Ship your orders fast, and I still gotta come up with the rest of the slogan. Let's get into the sneakers. Ever since Money debuted the Air Jordan 4 on February 12, 1989 for the All-Star Game in Houston, people have loved the shoe. The retail price of the Air Jordan 4 in the black canvas colorway was $210. We get this lovely flight in red on top of the box. And that's really it for this box. This box is super plain. We'll give you guys a look at that size tag. When you pull these shoes out of the box, you find that you're probably going to be wearing these more often than you anticipated. Air Jordan 4 looks great for your everyday fits, for your dress-up fits. It is really an easy shoe to wear, especially in this black and gray colorway. It fits in with a lot of wardrobes. It doesn't get dirty. It holds up nice. So right off the bat, things are looking up for this shoe. Starting with the outsole, we have black at the posterior, black at the anterior, and we have gray and red in between, some nice white over here, and the red Jumpman in the middle of that white. Outsole rides over the midsole, which features black and white and the iconic air bubble. Moving to the upper, my favorite touch on this shoe is this black suede. Now, when I first pulled this shoe out of the box, I wasn't really feeling the canvas. I was really liking the suede, but as you guys can see, that black canvas gets a nice reflection from the light, and I think that makes the shoe stand out even just a little bit more than the others. Man, I'm dropping shoes again. Every video I'm dropping shoes. My next favorite thing on this pair is the subtle hits of red. We see red in flight on the Jordan tag on the tongue, and then we see Air Jordan in red behind the tongue as well. I love that so much because it matches well with a lot of your other Jordan gear. The back tab, you receive this gray Jordan Jumpman against the black back tab. Imagine if this shoe with this back tab instead had this back tab right there, the Fire Red 4 black and red back tab. That would be amazing. Imagine that. You can do that. You just have to order the back tab. Let's go ahead and go over some of the things I don't like about this shoe. Number one is comfort. If you're wearing these shoes all day, they are going to hurt your feet. They're not the most comfortable Jordan out there. I'd say maybe replace the insoles with some gel insoles, because these can definitely take a toll on you. Next up, this packaging was so bland. Like, very bland. Like, wow, $210 and the box is this. Kind of underwhelming. Next, you don't get any special add-ons with this shoe. Yeah, just the shoe. No extra laces, no hang tags, no nothing. Now, with that said, I definitely think the pros really outweigh the cons on this. It's a black shoe. You're not going to get it dirty. You can match it with a lot of fits. This canvas material is very sturdy. Now, I was able to double up on this pair, and I will probably trade away the second pair to get another pair of Jordans that I really like. But I'm not going to do it just yet. I feel like these shoes have potential because of the colorways, because of how easy it is to match a wardrobe with these. I feel like they will definitely go up in price. We are right around Christmas. People need gifts, and I feel like this model in this colorway is a safe bet for people who are giving other people sneakers. But those are just my opinions. What do you wish Jordan Brand would have done with this shoe? Do you like it? Do you dislike it? Are you saving your money for the Alma Meniere 4s, the Midnight Navy 4s, the Nike SB Black Cat 4s? Make sure to let me know, and make sure to stay tuned for tomorrow's video. We have another unboxing right here. Make sure to check out Kicked Out LV and the Poshmark. Links are in the description. As always, I hope you guys have a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. Till next time, guys. Peace.